Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today I wanted to do a video on Cuisinart Black Stainless Collection 2-in-1 12-cup coffee maker and single serve brewer. If you guys would like some more information, just be sure to check my video description for that. So really excited, just a little bit quick info about this. I have a Keurig 2.0, which I love. But my husband's more of like a coffee drinker. He likes to like grind the coffee himself, and he likes the taste of that kind of coffee better than the Keurig. But I'm more of a Keurig drinker, so that's why this is a 2-in-1. And my mom actually had this, and I was at her house, and like my husband fell in love with it. He's like, this coffee is so good. So we went ahead and ordered one. So Cuisinart is actually a really good brand. have like other things that they make, like their food processor, their blender, other things as well. Holds up really well, I have to say. This is what it looks like. So it's pretty easy to use. So this is like the top. So this is the regular coffee maker, and then here is the single cup. So any kind of like Keurig pods work in this. So it tells you brew a perfect pot or brew a full carafe of fresh and flavorful coffee with your 12-cup coffee maker. And then for the Keurig part, which it's not Keurig brand, it's just it's a pod brewer. Brew a 6, 8, or 10-ounce cup of coffee, 40-ounce water reservoir, and fewer refills. And I actually just use, they have like a hot water section, so you can just use that to make your tea, hot chocolate, and I use it just to warm up water to warm my son's baby bottles with. So this is the box that it comes in, and it kind of tells you everything. Serve a crowd or serve just one. So this is good, like when we have people over or like a holiday, you could serve up to 12 cups of coffee. Gold tone coffee filter not shown, ensures fresh coffee taste. Removable 40-ounce water reservoir. 3 serving sizes, fits travel mugs, K-cup compatible. So that's the Keurig pods it's compatible with, which I always buy. And it has a regular or bold setting, so depending on how you like your coffee. So if you guys would like some more information on this, just be sure to check the video description for the Cuisinart 2-in-1 12-cup coffee maker and single serve brewer. So that's what I really like. And then it's easy to clean too. Like you just clean it the way you use, the way you clean a regular Keurig, which is with the white vinegar and the water. It comes with all the instructions for the setup. Very exciting. And I would just clean it with the stainless steel cleaner or Windex. You could register your products if you want. This way you could hear about any new things coming out or any recalls or anything like that. So it tells you, it has like all the instructions on how to use it, but it's very simple. Has the once we set it up, it has the hour and the minute, so the time will be on there. This is the bold setting. This is to brew it, make the coffee come out, and then to clean it, there's the clean button to clean the machine. So less work for you. Cleans itself. And then you could hit add water here. This is for the 6-ounce, 8-ounce, and 10-ounce cup of coffee or hot water or whatever you're brewing. And it's pretty compact. It's not too heavy. It's like pretty light. And I like that it's like sleek, and I just think it looks nice. And this will look really great if you guys have like a coffee bar, or if you don't have a lot of countertop space, because it's 2-in-1. It's nice. It's, you know, if it's better than having like a big coffee pot and then a Keurig next to it, which is going to take up so much more room on your counter. But it has like a modern look, and I just really like it. And it's easy to use, and it really does make delicious coffee. So I hope that you guys found my video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you all have an excellent day.